A murder suspect on the run, a stolen car in flames, and an hours-long manhunt. 28-year-old Ali, wanted for a Brooklyn laundromat murder, had a long history of violent crimes. His escape began at dawn when police tried to stop his stolen vehicle on the Thruway. He crashed and fled into the woods. Hours later, a trail camera captured him miles away.
Hey, we're good.
But did law enforcement finally catch him?
No need to rush.
Here's what happened next.
Press that cover up. Don't wait for it. Easy, hey. Watch out right, watch out right. Watch out!
Drop the knife! Taser, 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 taser!
Don't wait for it. Easy, hey. Watch out right, watch out right. Watch out right, Kobe!
Taser, taser! Taser, taser!
Hey!
Taser!
Stay back, stay back!
Go fucking! Taser, taser, taser! Taser!
Stay back, stay back!
Don't fucking move!
Don't move!
Don't move! Don't move!
Don't move!
Give me the dog!